Former Zambian President Edgar Lungu had requested authorities in Pretoria to allow him to remain in South Africa until there was a new government in Lusaka. The SABC reports Sabc mashoko buda panguva ino zvinzi Edgar Lungu akakumbira authorities in South Africa kuti aramba arimo kusvikira aiwa akaenda chilema abva pakutonga. Subscribe, like, on the bell icon. Lungu died early Thursday in South Africa, where he has been receiving medical treatment for several months. The SABC said Lungu had no intention of returning to Zambia, fearing political persecution under President Hakainde Hichilema, the very man he once tormented while in power. Ironically, Lungu, who once weaponized state institutions against his opponents, found himself accusing the current Zambian administration of the same authoritarianism he previously championed. He reportedly died of complications related to swallowing, although the South African government, which had been hosting and monitoring him, is expected to issue a formal statement clarifying the exact cause of death. Lungu had been quietly aligning himself with the Zambia Must Prosper, a French opposition party led the former PF insider Kelvin Buaya. Buaya confirmed working closely with Lungu in recent months and delivered an emotional tribute after hearing news of his death. In his death, Edgar Lungu became a cautionary tale, a ruler who, having built a fortress of repression, ultimately found himself imprisoned by it. He is survived by his wife Esther and their children. Funeral arrangements are expected to be announced in the coming days. Thomas Parubuda pamsoro pa nawo ya Edgar Lungu panguva ina zvinoka kunzi anga osca akudzokera ku Zambia achiti aiwa pane political persecutions attacks ari kubva kuna Hakainde Hichilema. Anokwa kunzi he also did the same achiuya during his time of power. Vese vaimuopoza aiwa vaingonyangariswa, majournalist vese vaizama kuexposa zvavaiita zvaonekwa kuti panguva yake panga ari in power from 2015 to 2021 the economy yakatanga kungodonha, but panguva inoi it has been resurrected kuonekwa naHakainde Hichilema went to power. Tudze mafungiro enyu matodipa musoro pechituko ichi mina comment section medu mafungiro enyu. So subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.